Okay, if you look at the parts, you can see little lines, many little lines that you can fold, like here and here and here and here and here. Everywhere you will see the little lines, and now you will see how he fold the mask. Okay, fold, fold, fold according to the line, which makes the shape. As you fold, it will shape up as you wish. Okay. Okay, the wings also. Okay, fold, fold, fold. Okay, take out the okay. So those are the lines which is better to ventilate the air from your mouth. Okay, if you're ready, then do the next one. Make sure you are folding inside, not outside. Okay, according to the lines. Okay, good, good. The second part is for the forehead. Okay, now